Okay, so we're halfway through, come along nicely. All the hard stuff was getting the ground level in the first place. Now you can see how that line's working out. The only other thing I wanted to quickly show you was the half cuts that I've done on the sleeper. So you can see how it should be sitting on the line, and that's how it should look when you're cutting through. So you've got so that shows you've got the blade at 90 degrees. Right, okay, back in a bit probably when we're done now, I think. See. Well, unfortunately, due to some humongous tree roots that I found in there and a load of formwork that the builders who did the patio left in the ground, which took me an extra hour to take out, we're not going to quite get finished today. So I mean, I'm back tomorrow anyway. I'm having to change tomorrow, so it's not looking too bad. The line's looking good, and it's as sturdy as anything. Just the weight of these alone, I think 17. It's about 3/4 of a ton it'll weigh once it's finished being built. So it'll just hold itself in place. But what I am going to do, I haven't got them here, but I'm actually going to get a couple of ground anchors, drill through probably this middle one, just a hole, and then actually put a 1 metre rod that goes straight down to the ground at 2 points, and that'll just anchor it in place. So we'll do that tomorrow. Now we've had to change tomorrow around because we've been chatting constantly about all the paving slabs that weren't done properly. Main reason is, well, one, they shouldn't have put them in the first place. Two, the line they put them in wasn't quite right. Three, all this concrete at the side means that I can't actually lay turf next to them, so I've actually got to cut all that out. But because all the levels are all so wrong, because they were supposed to actually have waited to do that until I'd actually rotovated and actually done the grading and levelling, it kind of goes down and then it comes back up again, and it's just an absolute mess. So rather than rotovating tomorrow, which is what we were going to be doing, I'm now actually going to be taking up all of those slabs and then relaying them properly when I've rotovated, which is now going to be after Easter, unfortunately. But we should still be done before the first May Day bank holiday, hope. So that's end of day one. Well, end of day one of part 5. The rest of it will be put together tomorrow, and I'll obviously video that and post it for you as well. That should be done by lunchtime, fingers crossed, and then we'll get on with the rest of it. Probably I won't do any video on the rest of it because that's going to be boring, because that's just lifting up the slabs and taking the concrete off so we can reuse them. If there is anything, I'll video it and post it. So end of day one, been very warm today, and I will see you soon. Cheers.